So this is Euro-dollar analysis for Wednesday, 28th of February. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may go going forward. So previously we mentioned that we did have resistance in and around this 2340, 2350, in around this area here from the previous video. We did mention that we did have resistance there as indicated by the sell side momentum we've seen previously. So what we did see was our price came up in towards that 2340, and we did see a pretty strong sell-off. Now, what's happened here? It seems like my charts have timed out there. So what we did see from here was we did find the resistance. We did see sell-side momentum taking us beneath this 2287. Previously, where we did find support, taking us all the way down. It's a pretty strong sell-off. Likely news related. We've seen the sell-off bring us down towards the very next level in around the 22.23 mark. We do appear to find some minor support at the 22.23 so far. If we do hold 22.23, we're looking for price head up towards that 22.87. Successful break from which we're looking for price head up towards that 23.40, where we encountered resistance before. If, however, we do break down from this, from the 22.23, we have to look at levels beneath, and the levels that we are looking at is in around the 21.78. Of course, we have to look at the 22 level, around psychological level, may act as a support, but ultimately we are looking at 21.78. Successful break from which we're looking at a very key important level from 2017 in around the 20.92. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond the 20.92 or above, say, the 23.40, especially as we have had quite a bit of resistance in around that 23.40, 23.50 zone. In the 23.40, 23.50 zone, we now also have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average and the 200 period moving average about to converge on that level, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum if we do retrace all the way back up there. And with that said, that should pretty much wrap up the euro-dollar analysis here on the hourly charts. We'll have a brief look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, we're seeing the continued weakness on euro-dollar. What we've seen is we're coming into this 125. We've seen sell-side momentum, brief consolidation, and we've had the continuation to the downside. So we are coming to an area where we did find support previously in around this 22.23 before we saw this move back up towards that 125 level. So we'll see whether we do hold this 22.23 or possibly 21.78 for a move back up towards the 125 level. If we did see that, we would solidify this trading range that we are currently in on the euro-dollar. Overall, there is a slight long bias on this market, but the most recent trend does appear to be to the downside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro-dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.